I'm here at LAX again. Whoa. Bye, buddy. Okay. See you later. I'm going back to Boston. Boston. I'm going back to Boston. I don't think so. I'm going back to Boston. I'm going back to Boston. I don't think so. So I'm running extremely late right now, and this thing is taking forever. I have a feeling I'm gonna miss my flight. I'm in. I think I made it. Thought I was gonna have a major snafu, but it turns out I'm in. The flight's on time, and I should be in Boston at about 7:29 in the morning. So until then, I'll see you when I land. I'm back in Boston. This time I'm, for the most part, here for a wedding. I'm gonna try to have as much fun as I can, try to go check out some places. So I got my car at budget, and it went smoother than it's ever gone to get a car. The original bill for it was gonna be about $464 for a week, and she did a bunch of little enhance. And she knocked it down to about $300. Score! This car only has 10 miles on it. So I'm here at the commuter rail. We're waiting on the train. We're gonna head into Fenway today. The train was supposed to be late, but now it appears it is on its way.
Another door here.
Alright, we made it. We just got off the train. We're about 2 blocks away from the stadium, and the weather is not too bad. So we're on Lansdowne now. We're gonna go hit up a bar, which I think might be called Lansdowne. So let's get our drink on, and then we'll go tap again. Alright, I made it into Fenway. We're gonna be in right field. Let's enjoy the game. So quick update, we're in the game. We're in right field, as you can see. But my cousins Joe and Jamie are probably up to no good, and they're not allowed into the game.
Nico, good run.
Alright, so my cousins got thrown out of the game. Actually, they didn't even get let in the ballpark. So now I'm hanging out with their girlfriends. Don't leave a girl around me. Two player for real. Alright, Sox just tied it up. So in the trees over there, there's a bald eagle. So I'm gonna take the drone and see how close, not too close because I don't want to disrupt it, but I'm gonna take the drone and see if I can maybe spin around the nest. I'm about to head up to Peabody to go check into the hotel, but I spotted this and I couldn't pass this up. It's called Edward Minor Field, and essentially, as you can see, is a mini Fenway Park. Alright, so I arrived at the hotel here in Peabody. The check-in process went really smoothly. I'm gonna try to maybe bust out, like a half-hour nap, take a nice shit, take a shower, and then I'm gonna go meet my aunt for some lunch. And then I'm gonna head towards Winthrop. And then me and Bubba are gonna take the ferry into Boston. We're gonna meet up with Mike, and then we're gonna go to the Red Sox game. What do we got? Alright, so I've eaten lobster rolls at a ton of places before, and generally lobster rolls are hard to mess up. But from what I hear, this is the best place in Boston for a lobster roll. It's called Belle Isle Seafood. It's supposed to be the best one in Boston, so let's check it out. So I'm just waiting for my lobster roll now. It's very expensive. I did hear that about this place, that it's really expensive. For a lobster roll and a cup of clam chowder, it costs $35. God damn, that's a lot of money. I'm sure it'll be worth it. Alright, I got my lobster roll, I got my clam chowder. Now I'm gonna head over to Bubba's house so I can sample this, and I can tell the world what I think of Belle Isle. Alright, time to try a lobster roll. I don't know if you can see, but I got my boy Ace over here. No lobster roll for you, dude. No lobster roll, only for me. Clam chowder there, and there she is. The most expensive lobster roll I've ever purchased in my life. There she is. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Just a little bit of a lobster in the lobster roll, huh? Is like 95% lobster and 5% roll. That's the type of ratio you want. Holy shit. That's a lot of lobster in my lobster roll. Look at that. It's a whole claw right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, suckers didn't even give me a spoon. How am I supposed to eat my chowder without a spoon?
Lobster roll without around $20.
That's altogether $36.99. That's a lot of money. It's good. That's a lot of money. I mean, at least it's not like light on the lobster. I mean, they go all in. Alright, so we're on our way to a Red Sox game, and we're going to travel there the only way I know how, and that's in style. The best way to go from Winthrop to Boston, by this boat right here, the Valkyrie, Winthrop by the sea. How you doing? So there's only 2 other people on the boat right now. And it's a small world because actually we share the same last name. And people used to call me for him. People would call his house looking for me. It's a small little town and we just happen to have the same last name. And it was back when you would open a phone book, so there was only 2 names there and people would always call him. It's crazy. Slow down, he's gonna let me go up to the front. How cool is that? to let me on the front of the boat here. We got the Boston Harbor right here. We're gonna go into the aquarium. So we're here. Now it's time to jump on the train and head over to Fenway. Here I am for day 2, Red Sox Tigers, ESPN game. It's a lot busier down here than it was yesterday. Cool, thanks. All right, I got some stuff for me and Bubba to wear so we can match. For today's game, we are definitely closer to the field. Check this out. All right, here we go. We're at Fenway Park. We're gonna do the whole experience. The Sox are getting blown out, so we've worked our way to the front row, right over by Pesky's pole, right up here. I can't make any promises. If that shit gets close, I'm going for it. So in case you were wondering, twerking still happens after Fenway games. So we're here for another food that I grew up with. It's probably my second favorite Chinese food restaurant, the Ho Win Palace. Alright, we got pork fried rice, poo-poo platter, lobster sauce. We're just about done. Bowen Palace, you did a good job. Thank you.